today I'm reviewing Merlin, which seems to be a much bigger company. Quite a promise. Merlin can write and respond to every email, so you don't have to. This is exactly what you would expect in the context of Gmail. And yeah, pricing wise also seems to be more expensive, so I'm assuming it has more features, which I'm actually excited about. Yeah, that's 15 per month, given a special current discount, and usually it would be 30 a month. So we're just gonna try it right now. Adding it to Chrome, we see it has 1 million users, so exciting, big company, a cool product, so let's try it out. So I just logged in, I arrived on this onboarding page, and it seems like Merlin does much more than just being a Gmail assistant. It can generate images, chat with any link, explore Merlin magic. I have no idea what that means. We see a prompt box here that kind of reminds us of ChatGPT. But we did install a Chrome extension, so I'm assuming there is some Chrome extension features. And if we maybe just find the Merlin Chrome extension, where is it? Here. Yeah, we can see again like a chat box, but so far no specific Gmail features. Let's just open Gmail and see if something happens. Because it did promise to be a Gmail superpower app, so we want that. Okay, we see a new AI button here, which we're gonna try, and otherwise we see something here as well, which seems to just be like a generic Merlin feature on every page now. But okay, let's try the AI thing. We will draft an email for you. This is a horrible email, but obviously writing an email from nothing is not that easy. Jeremy for a catch-up call. Okay, so from the get-go, it knows my name and email, which is obvious, but because I logged in, but still that's better than many other apps. So we like that. And we would like maybe to edit the email. How does that work? My Calendly link. I'm not sure if they edit this email or if they're just gonna, because I just started from zero. We're trying to insert this. Yeah, so I can't edit the email, okay. But some basic drafting emails, it's relatively fast, works in Gmail, so far that's actually nice. The UI is good, so it makes sense that, oh, and we can add some context, okay. So for example, I can add my link here, I can add my name. And so now it's gonna probably take the context that I just inputted with my Calendly link to probably write a better email. But now it seems like it's kind of blocked. Right, I should have given it more time again. Okay, yeah, exactly. Okay, so far it's actually pretty good. You can paste in context here. Yeah, there's a lot of space, and it will then use that to write for you, and then you can insert it like this. It does always add a line here. I'm a bit annoyed by this, but that's a tiny detail. The formatting is markdown, so that's messed up here, so you'd have to clean that up. But otherwise, it's fine. Let's see if it responds to email as well. Okay, so here we see this new write your reply to generate with AI. We see yes, no, follow up. Let's see if this is custom or if it's like this for every email. Let's see, for example, this spam thing I got. Yeah, it's always yes, no. Okay. So for example, I don't know, generate. Yes, whatever that means. Okay. So it just generates this again using the context from the email. And then if I click insert, it will insert it here, which is pretty good. Try an email where it's not yes, no. For example, this thing. And I want to say no, whatever that means. Okay, yeah. So far pretty good. Let's just test their write your reply feature. So for example, let's see this other spam email here, want to invest. I'm just gonna take the prompt, the email, and write a draft email that I can then insert. Looks fine. I think the one key aspect is for generic emails, it's obviously perfect. It's fast. It does what it's supposed to do. And for the emails where I have to answer yes, no, follow up, easy. Now the question is, what happens with a bit more complex emails? I think I had created some examples. Let's say a customer wants to ask for a refund here, for example. Let me close that there. For example, now I'll have to tell it, let's just see what happens if I just say refund error. Okay, interesting. Or let's say a policy is only 30 days, we can't refund. And then it does it. Yeah, so actually, no, pretty good. The one key thing that is missing is where it learns from the emails I send. So I will always have to tell it everything. Obviously, I can put some information in the context box here, but I'm not going to put all the content of all my emails, of course. And so I will always have to specify, this is the refund policy, write the email. Or in general, I answer like this, or here is my style. And those are things that the AI cannot capture because it doesn't know how I usually write. So for example, this kind of email text is very generic and formal, so it's not a problem, but this wouldn't be my style. Maybe write with smileys or things like that. So that's not something this AI will be able to capture, unfortunately. So I would say very nice as a generic AI Gmail tool. Not the Nec Plus Ultra in the sense that it misses those features, but otherwise for a generic AI tool that has so many features as we saw before, plus the Gmail thing is really already like good. I would actually recommend it to try it out. And I think for like non-business use cases, if you just want an AI to help you